Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best couples Halloween costume set is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways for partners to celebrate the spooky season together, transforming ordinary individuals into iconic duos that are sure to turn heads and spark conversations at any Halloween party or event, offering a unique opportunity to showcase your shared personality and sense of humor through coordinated attire that ranges from the hilariously punny to the elegantly thematic. Number 5. Disguise Women's Mr. Mrs. Potato Head Kit. Get ready for some spectacular fun. This kit brings the iconic Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head to life for your costume adventures. Embrace the playful spirit of these beloved Hasbro characters. Perfect for parties, Halloween, or just a day of imaginative play. Transform yourself into a classic toy with this easy-to-wear costume set. Mix and match pieces for a unique look every time. It's not just for kids. This kit is designed for adults who want to relive childhood memories and spread some joy. Become the star of any event with this instantly recognizable and fun costume. It's a guaranteed conversation starter. What we like? This costume set offers endless fun with its interchangeable parts. If you love getting creative and want a costume that can be personalized by everyone, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for families or couples who enjoy a playful and interactive Halloween. What people say. It was very comfortable though and did not stop me from doing any tasks. These were super cute and the perfect size to adhere to our brown TSHRTS, and they didn't flop off the edges or start to peel during the end of the night. Cute and affordable couples costume that is easy to put on clothes. The adhesive stuck onto the clothes very good. Number 4. 2025 Masquerade Masks for Couples. Step into a world of mystery and allure with our exquisite Masquerade masks. Designed for couples, they offer a perfect blend of sophistication and enchantment for your next event. Adorned with brilliant rhinestones, these masks catch the light and add a touch of glamour. The intricate metal filigree ensures a stunning and unique look for both partners. Experience the timeless elegance of Venetian design. These masks are crafted to evoke the spirit of traditional masquerade balls, bringing an authentic feel to your celebration. Make your Mardi Gras unforgettable with these eye-catching masks. They are the ideal accessory to stand out in the crowd and embrace the festive spirit. This set includes a dazzling mask for her and a classic Venetian mask for him. Together, they create a harmonious and captivating appearance for any masquerade occasion. Embrace the magic of the masquerade and create unforgettable memories. These masks are your key to a night of elegance, intrigue, and shared enchantment. What we like? Embrace mystery and sophistication with these stunning masks. If you're attending a formal event or a masquerade ball and want to make a grand entrance, these are ideal. They are perfect for couples who appreciate a touch of luxury and classic Venetian charm. What people say. The costume was a hit at the party, and the details on the outfits were impressive. We loved how comfortable the fabric was, making it easy to wear all night long. The design was unique and eye-catching, definitely stood out from other costumes. Number 3. Plus-size men's Fred Flintstone costume. Step back in time to the Stone Age with this officially licensed Fred Flintstone costume. Perfect for any adult looking to embody the iconic character. This costume features a detailed tunic and necktie, capturing the classic look you know and love. It's designed for comfort and authenticity. We've got you covered. This outfit is specifically designed for plus-size men, ensuring a great fit and freedom of movement for your prehistoric adventures. You're getting the real deal. This is an officially licensed product, guaranteeing the quality and accuracy of your favorite character's attire. Whether it's a costume party, Halloween, or a themed event, this Fred Flintstone outfit is sure to make a prehistoric statement. Get ready for a yabba-dabba-doo time. What we like? Step back in time with this iconic character costume. If you're looking for a comfortable and recognizable outfit, especially if you need a plus-size option, this is a great pick. It's perfect for fans of classic cartoons who want an easy-to-wear, officially licensed costume. What people say. The costume was a hit at the party. Great quality and fit perfectly. We received so many compliments on this costume. Number 2. Spooktacular Creations PB&J Couple Costume. Get ready for Halloween with this fun and iconic couple's costume. perfect for making a statement at any dress-up party. Embrace the classic combination with this unique costume set. It's designed for two, ensuring you and your partner are a hit. Crafted by Spooktacular Creations, these costumes are made for memorable Halloween experiences. Enjoy the comfort and style. Dressing up has never been easier or more enjoyable. Simply put them on and you're ready for a night of spooky festivities. This is the ultimate choice for couples looking to coordinate their Halloween look. Be the most talked about pair at the party. Whether it's a dress-up party or a night of trick-or-treating, these costumes are perfect. They offer a playful and eye-catching design. What we like? Celebrate your perfect pairing with this iconic food duo. If you want a simple, comfortable, and instantly recognizable couple's costume, this is the one. It's ideal for parties where you want to stand out as a fun and cohesive unit without much fuss. What people say. The costume was a great hit at the party. The material was surprisingly good quality for the price. It was easy to put on and take off. Number 1. T-Birds and Pink Ladies 2-shirt set. Get ready to rock around the clock with this iconic duo. Perfect for couples looking to make a statement. Channel your inner 50s rebel or sweetheart. These shirts are your ticket to a nostalgic sock hop. Don't stress about Halloween. This set is a ready-made, crowd-pleasing costume that's sure to turn heads. Designed for both men and women, these shirts offer a comfortable and stylish fit for everyone. Coordinate your look and win best dressed. It's the ultimate way to show off your team spirit. Embrace the fun and spirit of the sock hop era. These shirts are more than just clothing, they're a statement. What we like? Channel your inner rebel with this classic 50s inspired set. If you love the iconic 50s aesthetic and want a coordinated look with your partner, these shirts are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for themed parties, sock hops, or any event where a touch of retro cool is desired. What people say. The costume was a perfect fit and looked great on both of us. The material was surprisingly good quality for the price, and it held up well throughout the night. We received so many compliments on our costumes. They were definitely a hit at the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.